The formatting in your Word document can cause unexpected behavior. In this lesson, we'll explore how to troubleshoot Word formatting. The first thing I always like to do is turn on the formatting for a document, and to do so, just click on the paragraph icon. When you turn this on, you will see all the formatting that has been applied to your document, including the paragraph marks, tabs, spaces, etc. You may want some of these formatting marks to always be displayed without actually turning on the formatting. To do so, select File in the menu. Go down and click on Options. Then click Display. Now you can choose what you always want to see. In my example, we're going to select spaces. I'm going to click OK. And now I'm going to turn off the formatting. And now we can still see the dots in between the words, and that represents those spaces. Another handy trick to see what's going on in your document is to use the status bar. The status bar can provide you with quick information about the document, and it's located at the bottom of the page. And in our example, we can see we're on page 1 of 2. We have 24 of 471 words selected. Grammar and spelling is turned on. And we're using the English dictionary, or to the other side, we can see the display settings, the focus, we can adjust the views, etc. If you'd like to enable additional functionality, right-click on the status bar and then turn on the item that you would like to see. In our example, I'm going to turn on line number. Now we can see we're on line 1 if I move my mouse to another location on the page. That line changes to 70. The next tool has to be one of my favorite tools in Word. It's the Format Painter. You see, I like to bring in text from a variety of sources, and the formatting is typically different from all those sources. Using the Format Painter allows me to select the formatting that I like from within the document and then easily apply it to the other text within that same document. For example, if we take a look at Facilities, we can see our font, the size of the font, it's bold as well as the color. Down under Amenities, that is different. And if I want to change it, now I've got to remember, what was that font? Was it a 14? Was it a 13? Oh, I don't remember. The easier way to do it is select what you want to copy. Then click Format Painter and then select the word or words or paragraph that you want that formatting applied to. Much easier, isn't it? And if you're experiencing a formatting problem within the document, you may have just replaced the bad formatting with good formatting. Sometimes you'll want to remove formatting from the text in your document, and a really quick way to do this is select the text, and then use the Clear Formatting button. I'm going to go ahead and select the entire paragraph that is underlined, and you'll notice that within this paragraph there is also some bold text. When I select the Clear Formatting, you'll notice that the underline as well as the bold text has been cleared. If you're still experiencing issues with your formatting, you can use the Word Style Inspector to display more details about the formatting of your text. To demonstrate this, I'm going to select the next paragraph. Once the paragraph has been selected, I'm going to choose Styles, and then the Style Inspector. And it's here we can see the details of that paragraph. The formatting is normal, and the line spacing is at 1.5 if I selected the text only. So we can see that the text level is strong. I can also clear the formatting right from here. I've selected my text, and I can clear just this section by using the Clear Formatting button. Or I can also clear the line spacing from the entire paragraph. Again, following the same procedure, we'll move that box a little bit out of our way. And finally, I'd like to show you the Reveal Formatting feature. It's at the bottom of the Style Inspector box. And when I select that, we'll have more information shown to us about the formatting. For what we currently have selected, we can see the font, the language, the alignment, the indentation, and the spacing. We can also compare formatting between different sections of text by selecting Compare to another location. And then, in this case, I'm going to select the Underground Jazz Club text, and now we can clearly see what has changed. We can see that the font is bold in one as well as there is a difference in the tabs. By cleaning up the extraneous formatting, you may solve some of your document formatting issues.